y'all. I'm Quayla Mackin, registered dietitian with the Mississippi State University Extension Service.
And I'm Donna Speed, registered dietitian with the Dairy Alliance.
June is National Dairy Month, and we're going to make a smoothie.
The smoothie is going to contain milk, which is great for hydration in the summer, and we're also going to add some other dairy in the form of yogurt. Let's get started. Yay!
Smoothies are a refreshing way to hydrate on these hot summer days. You can combine fruit and or vegetables if you'd like to with dairy milk to ensure you're getting electrolytes for hydration, along with the 13 essential nutrients like protein, calcium, and vitamin D that you find in dairy.
Bottom line, smoothies are a great option to meet your hydration needs.
They're fun and flavorful. For this recipe and others, go to our website, thedairyalliance.com.
And to read our blog, go to extension.msstate.edu. Thanks for watching.